5 minutes late, just like Kanye. I need to check my audio, make sure everything's like running smoothly. Dude, the mornings are always hectic for me, so I'm always eating breakfast late. Testing my audio. Let me see. Yeah, audio is working. I fixed my equalizer because apparently every time I yell, it will mute me. So what we got working on today? Market rallied. Market really rallied. 10:30. It is 12. Let's go short. Let's do let's do 5. It's too much risk. That's enough. Just go down there. Lit. It's lit. My hair's a mess right now. It's alright. Tomorrow is NFP week. Who is ready for that? Let's actually look at the calendar together and see what we got going on for later in the week. There we go. Friday, non-farm payroll. Come on, non-farm payroll tomorrow. Let's get it. Alright, is that what you could say? Get it? Must be open. Oh, that's sexy. That is sex right there. That's amazing. Here, I'll do one item. Is that perfect? That's perfect. I'll tell you right now. It doesn't get better than that. My biggest threat right now is that right there. Just wait for it. Let's do a 9. I would go short again. But if I go short again, that's just unrealistic. Well, this is unrealistic risk right here. 300, that's too much. That would be 3,000 in normal size lots. This is micro lots, so it's variable cut. And full lots, this would be 3,400. That's unrealistic. So I won't go in short again, but if I had the capital, I would go short right now. And I would expect that load to be taken out with speed. The worst thing I would want to see is it be used as swirl soup. I will say my mind goes back here. It's going back here. And what we could do inside here at 50%. I'm offside. That load should not be taken out. We have reasons to go higher. I went short because I fell for the illusion of the 90-minute. But looking at the 2-day chart, I'm realizing that no, we want to go higher. We want to go very higher. Just a hiccup. Just a little hiccup. But we should rocket fuel higher. If it start spooling, once that gets taken out, we have 1 minute. Okay, turtle soup. Might stop me out. It's fine. That's okay. Just get in again. This time with half the risk. So far in my head, I'm thinking, okay, you're right about direction and where it could turn. You're just quick to, a little too quick. I need to like slow down. I need to wait for the market to meet my area of target and then act on it instead of acting on it before it goes to the area of target, which is fine. I'm learning as I go. Yeah. Today is Thursday. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I'm gonna add one. First partial is gonna be a little tricky. Check it out here. We do have news at 12:45 p.m. that could help the market move. Thinking of all the buyers and sellers, where they might be. Where are the buyers? Where are the sellers? Who do I want to get hurt? Who do I want to profit? Many times we only think of who's getting hurt. We also need to think of who's profiting. Who do we want to make money? This isn't about taking money, it's about making money. If somebody is meant to make money in this market, it might not be you, it might not be me, but somebody is making money right now. But it's predestined. So who should be making money right now? The buyers or the sellers? Buyers or the sellers? Who should be making money? Who's engineering liquidity? That's another thing. What side of the market is liquidity being engineered at? Rocket fuel right now. Push, 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 push. Come on, come on, keep going. One more. Rocket fuel for sure now. Keep on going, keep on spilling, keep on going higher. This thing is about to blow higher. It's about to destroy all the people who went short. Come on, push, 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 push. Damn, okay, it's taking forever. You gotta take that out. I took that out. That's 7 minutes. I got 7 minutes. Come on. Come on. It's gonna be go quick, quick, just like like an F1 car, just go. Oh, it's gonna go fast. It's gonna go so fast. It's gonna go Max Verstappen fast. Watch it. Watch it. Just keep an eye on it. It's about to blow up. It's about to destroy every person that went short. Everybody. your mom, your dad, your sister, all those people who've gone short are about to get destroyed. We got 6 minutes. I want to see this candlestick to go to my take profit, my first take profit. I don't want to see no lollygagging. I just want to see go quickly to my take profit. We got 1 more minute. In 1 more minute, it's gonna be 12:35, and it should do it quickly. Shit, I just moved on accident. All right, 12:35. I want to start seeing quick movement. All right, 7 seconds. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. New candlestick. We're at 12:36 now. We have news at 12:45. Maybe that's gonna help us move. That might be the news. What is it doing? It's taking out all the people who went long. And it's about to really go higher. Now all the people who want to go short are going short right now. Everybody's going short. Everybody's going lower. Everybody has been knocked out. Now can it start going higher? It's been influx of buy orders now. I wonder if I can make a pull. I want to make a pull. Okay. More short sellers, a lot more people going short. That's really what we want to see. We want to see people want to go short right now. We want them to get in the market, and we want their buy stop up here. Alright, a lot more short people. That's taken out. I'm gonna get water. Great, now you want to fucking do it. I don't know. You're probably watching this and you're thinking, what's the matter? You literally just had it go to your target. I know. But do you know how I was doing the yeah, go, go, go? Well, that go, 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 I expected that kind of move for. So that means there's something wrong with my model. There's something wrong with my system that doesn't allow me to call out when it does that quickly. I'm off. How off am I? I'm off by, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm off by 8 minutes. 8 fucking minutes. That's disgusting. That's horrible. 8 minutes. Ugh. Well, we're going to go back to the drawing board and we're going to figure out why we can't call it when it's supposed to do it. When it's supposed to do the spooling. Spooling means it's going to go one-sided really quickly. Why can I call that out? I want to call it out perfectly. I don't just want the key level correctly. That's not enough. If you want to be great in this, you gotta be able to call it when it's gonna spool. If you can't do that, then you're not the best. And I'm not the best because I can't do it. I can't do it. I'm off by 8 fucking minutes. Alright. 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 I gotta lock in. And I'm not making excuses, but being in front of the camera, looking at the market, it stresses me out low key. I get overstimulated. I have anxiety. I literally, this is a new field and I'm getting used to it, but I'm gonna be the best. I'm gonna call it each fucking candlestick. I'm gonna call each candlestick before the fact on the live stream. So give me time and watch how great I'll become. Man, I'm pissed off, bro. I was off by 8 minutes. 8 fucking minutes. Oh my god. That's crazy. I'm sorry you had to watch that. I'm sorry. 8 minutes. Man, that sucks. That sucks. Rocketfield. Yeah, right. Fuck. 8 minutes. Hey, I'm perfect. Am I not perfect? This is what happens. I'm too perfect sometimes. Sometimes I'm just way too perfect. It's crazy. Man, I gotta be a little more generous with my take profits. Should I take one out now and be a good day trader, or should I wait and be a good influencer? by 8 minutes. That's crazy. Man, I'm gonna get better at this. I'm gonna get really good at this watch. And I'm gonna be calling it right before it does it each single time. No delays, no nada. You're gonna see it. Well, I want that ironic film. That looks good. Alright, and 2 seconds. We got news. That was it. Alright. Pretty sure this is what they do. I can't confirm this, but pretty sure they released the news ahead, and that's why you see those quick gyrations. They release it way ahead, and then once it's actually released, then does the market not move, and people wonder, wait, it didn't move. But here's the thing: sometimes just to mix things around, they will not manipulate the market until the news releases. Sometimes they'll manipulate the market before the news releases, and that's when you see those quick gyrations before the news. That's my mom. I'm waiting, waiting. Being patient. That's a threat right there. That's a threat. That's a threat. 42 seconds. 42 seconds. We have a new 10-minute candlestick, and we enter a macro, a 1250 to 110 macro. Right, macro is on. Let's wait for it. Let's see price start going higher after this candlestick. Well, on the one, I'm talking about the 1 minute. After this candlestick, I want price going higher. This one should take those highs out with speed. Fine. Good. Feel. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Nice. Now, do it quicker. do it more vertical, right? Vertical. Still lunch, so I'm pretty sure price action is just going to be very lethargic. So it makes sense why it's acting the way it's acting. Oh, it's funny. A lot of people want to get in the very turning point of the market, not knowing that being so precise doesn't mean the market's going to go straight to your target. Sometimes it'll go to a roadblock. It might even go a little bit it'll go right next to the terminus and then start going back. Normally when it does that, it does it faster, right, than what it did before because the roadblock has been neutralized. But being in the inception of the move is not always ideal. It's sometimes very thrilling to hold on to. It's like riding a bull. So you gotta get used to not getting shaken out of your trade if you do end up getting the turning point of the market. Because the turning point of the market doesn't mean the market's going to start going to the best outcome. Sometimes it will do this and it could go all the way even down here to then eventually go back up there. Let's see that right there. That's my target. Last line of defense. Just gotta wait for it to get tagged, and then we could start seeing if it wants to go higher. Awesome. It's 1 in the afternoon in New York. I might be offside actually. That's funny. Yeah, I'm offside. I'm also realizing we're inside the range, so it's kind of confusing me. At this point, I am a little lost now, just because we are inside the range. But I do know one thing. If I am on side, this low should not be taken out. And if it gets taken out, then we're going lower. If it doesn't get taken out, then I'm selling the market and I don't need to really know or be confident in the direction. How do you know what I mean by you don't want to be the very turning point of the market? Because if you're in the very turning point of the market, I hope you know that doesn't mean the market's going to go straight to your target. It just means you got the turning point of the market. There's really nothing great about it. Especially if you are like a scalper or you don't have a strong stomach to think through this, or you have ADHD like myself. Getting the turning point of the market is the worst thing you could do. It's better to get the ICT calls it the second stage distribution. It's best to get in there For example, if I am on side, this would be second stage. This would be first, be second stage. Second stage will always be quicker. So if I am on side, there should be no resistance here, and it should just start taking that up there. Actually, no, I'm not gonna. Like I said, I'm not confident in the directional bias just because we are in the range, and I always get confused when we're trading in the range. It just confuses me a little bit. All right, people are going long. It's a dumb idea. It's a very dumb idea. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. I'm gonna go with my gut and get in now. And it should start spilling really aggressively. The second 1 minute 13:04 candlestick gets taken out. And just like that, it starts spilling aggressively higher here. Higher. Should start spilling aggressively higher. Got 18 seconds. 15, 13, 12. I trust my gut on this one because I've seen this before. Doesn't mean it's gonna happen, but I've seen this. I guess you could call it pattern. Did I just get tricked? I just got tricked. Damn it. I'm still on side. What did I do wrong? Come on, get me in. Get me in. Get me in. Get me in the market. It's gonna get me in. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. Yeah, it is. Come on, just get me in. Few more ticks. Blood. No, you're supposed to go lower. Why won't this thing go lower? Need to go lower. Let me guess, I'm off by 1, 2, 3, 4. Better not be off by 8 candlesticks. 4, 5. Okay, it's 5. It's 10. It's 110. I think I was off again. Can you start going higher now? I like to have four contracts on. I prefer to have 5. Maybe it'll give me 5 right now. Let's see. Give me 5. Oh yeah. Now the lock and loaded. Now I can just start going higher. Mm-hmm. 15. Maybe out 130. It's just a lot of waiting, a lot of sitting around. Oh, now it wants to do that shit. Come on, how many candlesticks am I off? How many? How many was I off? So this is where I wanted it to start spooling quicker. And you can even see there was a little like push. So this was at 1307. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 candlesticks. I was off by 6 fucking candlesticks. I'm not having my day today. I was off by 8. Now I'm off by 6. What's next? Am I gonna be off by 5 next, and then eventually it'll be 1? I'm off by 6 candlesticks. You gotta be shitting my dick right now. Is this still valid? Yeah, it is. That's crazy. Still valid. Go to a 10. I'm done calling out when the market's gonna rocket feelers bull. I'm sick of tired of being wrong. You know what? I'm quitting live streaming. This is the last live stream I ever do. I just can't call it before the fact, and it's getting annoying. I'm hurting my reputation. Alright, the second it actually breaches this, I really do want to see it start taking that high. I want to see this high taken out with speed. I don't really care for this anymore. That's too. Let's put it there. This is rocket fuel now. I want to see that get taken out. I want to see that get taken out. Ha ha ha. I want to see that get taken out. Ah, they're not rocket fuel. It's amazing, isn't it? You're seeing it before the fact, too. Now, just keep in mind, what would this be if these were full lots? That would have been a nice, juicy profit. If you're a prop firm out there and you want to sponsor me, I would gladly take your money. I would love to take all your money. I need to go take a bathroom break. There. Let's look at Tesla. I want to look at Tesla. Testicles? Testicles. Look at testicles right now. Wait, what? That's out of pocket. I want to look at Tesla. Tesla. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin. Bitcoin's going lower. Bitcoin might go to 47,000. 47,000. Let's look at NASDAQ. I have not traded the NASDAQ in a couple, almost 6 months now. I missed the NASDAQ. It was always a fast mover. Actually, the fact that it was such a fast mover was the reason why I moved to ES. It's too fast. I don't understand those who trade the NASDAQ. NASDAQ is just too quick. It's not good when you're growing a small account to trade the NASDAQ. You need a big account to trade the NASDAQ. Twenty, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, go to 20. We have 26 seconds before it does it before it literally goes up here. Let's do thick line. Thickest line you've ever seen. I won't lie, my eyes are kind of going right here. If it were to go higher, if I was market maker, and I am the market maker, I kind of want to take price back down there before I go back up there. Just to fuck with them. Well, just to fuck with you. I would want to take this down here and then start going back up there. I need, first of all, the lights are too bright. They're way too bright. And I have, like I've said in the past, sensitive eyes. So the glasses are not going in because I'm shy. They're going in because I am blind. I'm also going with my AirPods. I'm just gonna have my hoodie right now until like it hits my take profit. Job's not over. The job is not done yet. That was a partial. The job's not over. We still have this right here. We have that right there, and we have that right there. Yeah, wait. And again, I'm not joking. If I was the market maker, I would take this lower. I would take it lower, and then would I go higher? Alright, we have a 90-minute candlestick that's about open. Again, I would love to see this go lower. Three minutes. I'm gonna go piss. My hair looks a mess right now. I'm gonna go pee, dude. Oh no. Alright, now when's the matter? I'm back. Clean. That is clean. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. Take the L if I have to. Just gotta wait. That's all I can do. Just wait. Sit up straight. Like this right here. Mark start shift. It should start moving quick. This should start moving higher. I don't know about speed, but it should start moving higher. Alright, now I want to see it go higher. Nope, I'm wrong. Okay, that's okay. There you go. I need to move my car. I'll be back. Hopefully I don't get stopped out. Back in a minute. Yep. Curious if I'll go higher. Well, I guess my market structure shift is actually turtle soup. Haha. I'm actually very curious to see if it'll go higher now. Because, like I said, if I was controlling this, I would take it lower before I start going higher. So, very curious on that. Right. Market price. It took it quickly too, damn man. It really went lower very quickly. Yeah. Saw it a mile away. Second we left these that high and that low, I was like, oh, I might be offside. But I decided not to get out because I was like, let's hope today's different. Now I know. Now I know. We're in the range. I really don't know what the market will do. I'm still holding the bias that will go higher. That's about it. Yeah, it's in the range. I am tired. I'll call it a day. I'll be back tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in the next clip.